Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to view shared links in a chat using Telegram Web on your PC. With the latest update, accessing shared links has never been simpler. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Telegram Web by entering web.telegram.org in the address bar. If you haven't logged in yet, you'll need to enter your phone number and follow the prompts to access your account. Once logged in, you'll see your list of chats displayed on the left side of the screen. Next, locate the chat where the links were shared. You can scroll through your conversations or use the search bar at the top to quickly find the chat you're looking for. Once you've found it, click on the chat to open it. Now, look at the top of the chat window for the name of the contact or group. Click on this name to open the Contact Info panel. This panel provides various options related to the chat, including access to shared content. Once inside the Contact Info section, navigate to the Links tab. Click on it, and you'll see a neatly organized list of all the links that have been shared in that chat. This feature is incredibly useful for finding important resources, without having to scroll through endless messages. From here, you can browse through the list of links and click on any one of them to open it in a new browser tab. Whether it's articles, videos, or other online resources, everything is conveniently stored in one place for easy access. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can effortlessly view all shared links in any Telegram web chat on your PC. Save time and keep track of valuable content with this handy feature. Thank you for tuning in. Happy exploring!